Ever felt your engine losing power, fuel costs climbing, and that check engine light quietly draining your wallet? Most drivers miss this one tool that makes the fix fast, clean, and frustration-free. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best oxygen sensor socket on the market that pros trust to save time and money. Stick till the end. There's a discounted link waiting in the description. Let's start. Number 5. ABIGAIL 5 PCS Automotive O2 Oxygen Sensor Socket Set delivers precision and power for any DIY mechanic or professional. Crafted from high-performance chrome vanadium steel with a black oxide finish, this set offers exceptional durability and rust resistance. The low-profile, offset, 6-point design allows easy removal of oxygen sensors even with wiring attached, while extra deep and co-foot sockets give maximum leverage in tight spots. Includes thread chasers, multiple socket sizes, and compatibility with ratchets or breaker bars. Save time, prevent damage, and achieve professional results with this compact, reliable toolkit. Perfect for efficiency, performance, and long-term use. Number 4. Orion MotorTech 12-piece oxygen sensor socket set delivers unmatched precision and durability for every DIY mechanic or professional. This comprehensive kit includes 22mm, 27mm, 29mm, 7/8, 1-inch, and 1 1/16 sockets with 1/2-inch and 3/8-inch drives, plus 2 3/8-inch thread chasers designed to remove and install oxygen sensors, oil pressure senders, fuel injectors, and thermal switches effortlessly. Heat-treated chrome molybdenum steel ensures strength and corrosion resistance, while the slotted design and clear size markings allow fast, hassle-free operation. Heavy-duty, high-torque performance and wide vehicle compatibility make this a must-have for reliable, efficient sensor maintenance. Number 3. DURATECH 5 PCS O2 Oxygen Sensor Socket Thread Chaser Set delivers precision and durability for every DIY mechanic and professional. This 5-piece kit includes 7/8, 22mm offset, and long oxygen sensor sockets, plus M12 and M18 thread chasers, perfect for removing, inspecting, and installing heated or non-heated O2 sensors without damaging wires. Crafted from premium alloy steel with heat-treated, phosphated surfaces, it exceeds ANSI ASME standards for strength and longevity. The unique slotted design ensures anti-slip security, while the wide wire gate protects wiring. Efficient, durable, and reliable, it saves time and prevents thread damage, making sensor maintenance effortless and safe. Number 2. BILITOOLS 12-piece O2 Oxygen Sensor Socket Set delivers precision and durability for every mechanic. This 12-piece set includes 7/8-inch 22mm, 1-inch, and 1 1/16 offset oxygen sensor sockets, plus oil pressure switch and oil sending unit sockets, making it perfect for hard-to-reach oxygen sensors, thermal switches, and vacuum switches. Constructed from premium chrome molybdenum steel with black phosphated coating for rust resistance, these sockets work seamlessly with 3/8 and 1/2-inch ratchets. Professional-grade strength, easy installation, and superior compatibility ensure maximum performance, reliability, and long-term value for every automotive task. Number 1. Crosstar 12 pieces professional O2 sensor socket and thread chaser set is a must-have precision toolkit designed for serious DIYers and professional mechanics who demand efficiency and reliability. Built with heat-treated alloy steel, it delivers exceptional torque strength, corrosion resistance, and long-term durability for exhaust system work. The integrated wire slot sockets allow safe sensor removal without disconnecting harnesses. Even in tight engine bays, with multiple socket sizes, precision thread chasers, and dual drive compatibility, this set restores damaged threads, ensures proper sealing, and saves time, making it a high-value performance-driven solution for accurate sensor service.